Namaste everyone present over here. So this is Anand Patil signing with you all for class 7th standard physics. Boys, we know very well that we are going through a tough situation. The whole world is facing with COVID-19 pandemic disease. So I request all of you to be safe, follow the instruction of your parents and be in touch with the academics. For the rest of the days, the school has organized online classes for you all so that you should not miss your academic part. As a result of which, I am taking a physics part for class 7th. So this part contains 5 chapters. So out of those 5 chapters, today we are going to start with a simple chapter, that is heat. So we are blessed with different forms of energy in the world, or you can say even in the universe also. So which are the different forms of energy? Let's go through that. Then slowly we come to this topic, because to understand this, the basics of the concept heat, we need to have some of the prior knowledge regarding our different forms of energy. So I will list out here different forms of energy, what all we have in this universe. So basically we have solar energy, we have wind energy, we have chemical energy, we have atomic energy, and we have one of the forms as heat energy also. See, we have different types of energies. We can write still many, but I just want to stop here because our main motto is to understand what exactly we mean as heat and associated with heat energy. So let's come to the point, what exactly we mean it as heat. So I just rub it here. In the day-to-day life, we have so many things which relate us to the concept of heat. For example, a cup of tea which is hot, a cup of coffee, a hot water, and many more. So let us focus here today what exactly we mean it as heat. Basically, heat, when we say, it is a form of energy. Please make a note of this. heat is a form of energy. So before this we have listed so many different forms of energy. So out of this is the basic definition. What exactly we mean as heat? The basic definition of heat is a form of energy. Why this word form of energy is used? This is interesting. We could have used some other word, we could have used some other phrases, but why only we have used a form of energy? Students, we know that basically when we talk of this word energy, we have a definition of energy as capacity to do the work. Capacity to do the work. So heat is also defined as a form of energy, and energy is defined as capacity to do the work. That means heat has a certain thing which is associated with doing of the work. That is why it is defined as heat is a form of energy. If the question is asked, define heat, you should write simple words as heat is a form of energy. That's all, nothing else. So why it is called as energy only? Because here it is written energy is capacity to do the work. Then what heat does? So what capacity it carries with itself? So let us take a simple demonstration. In your kitchen, take a vessel, pour water in that, nearly 3/4 of the volume of the vessel. Then start the burner, take a lid and close the vessel. After some time, what the lid starts doing, you know very well. It's a day-to-day experience, as you are all seen. It's a day-to-day experience that the lid starts dancing. What makes the lid starts dancing? If you know that, then we can easily understand why the definition of heat is referred as it is a form of energy. The lid dances because of the steam which has come because of boiling of water, and that boiling of water is because of what? You have given the heat in the form of putting on the burner. That burner provides the heat. When that burner provides the heat, that heat transferred to vessel, then to water, then water is converted into steam, and because of that steam has energy, capacity, it makes the lid to dance. And this is a simple example to say that why heat is defined as it is a form of energy. Like that, you can take several examples of what heat does. Earlier, so when we don't know the idea of fire, man used to take 2 stones and used to rub with that and used to get heat. That is what? Is nothing but it is a form of energy, and that energy is defined as what? Capacity to do the work. That energy has the capacity to do the work. Because of that, heat, the word heat is defined as it is a form of energy. Any energy you take, it has a SI unit. It is associated with SI unit, and the SI unit of any energy you take, it is joule. I write here. SI unit of heat energy is joule. Any energy you take, its SI unit is joule only. Here we are discussing with heat energy, so its SI unit, System International SI unit of heat energy is also joule. So let us stop here because I haven't given nothing else. I just made you to understand what exactly heat is, defined it as heat is a form of energy. Why it is referred as energy? Because it has capacity to do the work, and the SI unit of heat energy is joule. So boys, don't worry, we go in smaller and small concepts. It will be uploaded to you, so go through that. It's a basic definition, basic understanding, which we are just, it's an introduction of heat energy. Tomorrow we go for different sources of heat and different a small concept related to this. And any doubt if you have, I will give my mail ID. You just forward your doubt to this, I will clarify that. So for today's class we stop here and we meet again tomorrow to continue. I have not told much because since it is our first class, it's just an introduction. So tomorrow we go with easy and related concepts with the first class. Thank you.